Good morning, students. As we have completed chapter 3, so today we are going to organize a MCQ test for 20 questions, 20 MCQs. We will have 4 options in each question and you have to guess the answer. Then I'll tell the answer. If your answer is correct, you have to count your score and you should share your score with me by writing in the comment box. So let's start. Take the first question. A naturally occurring substance that has a definite chemical composition is known as or mineral, soil, land. So definitely you know the answer. This is the easiest question. Mineral. B is the correct answer. Which one of the following properties of a mineral is not correct? There are 4 properties of the minerals. Which is not correct about it? Impure, non-renewable, non-exhaustible and unevenly distributed. Minerals are found in ore form, so they are impure in the beginning. Non-renewable. These are non-renewable because minerals cannot be renewed after using once. Non-exhaustible. It is wrong because it is not the feature of mineral, not property of mineral, because minerals can be exhaustible after using once. Unevenly distributed is the main property of mineral because somewhere minerals are found in abundance, somewhere minerals are found in scarcity, and somewhere the same minerals are not found, right? So this was question number 2. Third, minerals that lie near the earth's surface are simply dug out by the process known as quarrying, drilling, open cast mining, shaft mining. Shaft mining is used for the deep bores. Open cast mining means removing the upper layer or surface of the earth. Drilling is used for means taking the petroleum or natural gas, etc. So quarrying is left. A is the correct answer because earth's surface are simply dug out by the process known as quarrying. Come to the 4th question. Non-metallic minerals like limestone, sandstone, marble, etc. are found in the metamorphic rocks, igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks and weathered rocks. In the weathered rocks, bauxite is found. Sedimentary rock is the correct answer. C is the correct answer because these are non-metallic minerals and most of the non-metallic minerals are found in sedimentary rocks. So C is the correct answer. Yes, next one is fill in the blank. Is the largest producer of bauxite in the world? Which is the largest producer of bauxite in the world? Africa, Australia, North America, South America? Yes, B is the correct answer. Australia is the correct answer. Come to the question number 6. Solar, wind, tidal, geothermal, biogas, atomic energy. These are the examples of which kinds of sources of energy? Conventional, non-conventional, ferrous, non-ferrous. Ferrous and non-ferrous are not the sources of energy. So conventional and non-conventional are 2 sources of energy, and solar, wind, tidal, geothermal, etc. are non-conventional sources of energy because these are not traditionally used. Recently we have started the use with the help of the technology. So these are non-conventional sources of energy. B is the correct answer. Aluminium is obtained from iron ore, bauxite, crude oil, rocks. Rocks is definitely minerals are means carried from rocks, but particularly from bauxite aluminium is obtained. So bauxite is the correct answer. B is the correct answer. Come to the next question. Organic waste such as dead plant and animal material, animal dung and kitchen waste can be converted into a gaseous fuel. Biogas, natural gas, CNG, LPG. Definitely you know the answer. Biogas. Biogas is the correct answer. Especially it is used in the rural areas. Is found with petroleum deposits and is released when crude oil is brought to the surface. Natural gas, crude oil, hydel energy, biogas. So the correct answer is natural gas. A is the correct answer. Come to the next question. Question number 10. Can be of black, green, red, yellow or brown in color. So different colors are there of which mineral? Copper, silicon, mica and aluminium. Yes, C is the correct answer. Mica is the correct answer. Which is a wrong pair? C. Carefully. Kaiga, Rawatbhata, Tarapur, Narora. Definitely you have to identify. These are the nuclear power plants in India. Kaiga, Maharashtra, Rawatbhata, Rajasthan, Tarapur, Maharashtra, Narora, UP. So these are the centers the states where these centers or power plants are located. So Kega is located in Karnataka, so this pair is wrong. So A is the correct answer. Metallic minerals which contain iron is known as which minerals? Non-metallic, power, ferrous, non-ferrous. Definitely you know that metallic minerals which contain iron is known as ferrous minerals, and which does not contain iron, non-ferrous. So C is the correct answer. Come to the next question. The process of taking out minerals from rocks buried under the earth's surface is called, right? So the process by which we can take minerals from the earth, mining. D is the correct answer. From rocks buried under the earth's surface. Is the largest producer of and exporter of mica in the world? Brazil, America, India, China. Yes, D is the correct answer. China is the largest producer and exporter of mica in the world. Come to the next question. 15. Question number 15. Is obtained from energy stored in the nuclei of atoms of naturally occurring radioactive elements like uranium and thorium. This is very easy question. You can identify nuclear power energy, solar energy, tidal wind energy. Wind energy is obtained from wind, tidal energy from tides, and solar energy from sun. So it is left. A is the correct answer. Next question. Heat energy obtained from the earth is called, because the interior of earth is very hot, and that heat energy can be obtained from the earth, that is called solar from sun, geothermal, hydel and tidal. Hydel energy means by using the dams and dams on the rivers, tidal on the sea coastal areas. So geothermal is the correct answer. Geo means earth, thermal energy means from earth heat. You can get this energy. B is the correct answer. China, Malaysia and Indonesia are among the world's leading producers. Which leading producers? Tin, gold, silver, diamond. Tin is the correct answer. A. Option A is the correct answer. After that, question number 18. Is a rock deposit that contains enough mineral to make it economically feasible to extract and purify to derive a desired product material? Coal, mineral, bauxite, ore. Yes, definitely the answer is ore. Ore is a rock deposit that contains enough mineral to make it economically feasible. Second last question. Is used in computer industry and is obtained from quartz. Yes, you have to identify copper, silicon, mica and aluminium. So the correct answer is silicon. Last question. Can be obtained by building dams at narrow openings of the sea. Narrow openings of the sea, geothermal, hydel, tidal and wind energy. C is the correct answer. Tidal energy can be obtained by building dams at narrow openings of the sea. Narrow openings of the sea. So by making the floodgates. So in this way, dear students, this was the MCQs test, right? So what is your score? Please share with me by writing in comment box. Thank you. Have a nice day.